Hello guys, this is Jason. As you know, Gscan is well known for its Asian coverage. Since a couple years ago, we have put tremendous effort in developing US domestic vehicles. And to show that result, our Gscan team came to the United States. Let's see how Gscan performs on different US models. Unlike other brands, GM has a unique method of menu selection. For GM vehicles, you need to know vehicle's VIN when selecting menu. For most GM models, year between 2004 and 2013, Gscan supports automatic VIN search function. What it does is that when Gscan is connected to the vehicle, it reads out vehicle's VIN automatically and lets you choose the system you want to diagnose. Let's select Diagnosis. Select GM USA. Select Automatic Selection. If above VIN information is correct, please press OK button. If the database is found, Gscan will command System Search function automatically. If there is any DTC present, it will show DTC for each system. If you look at the bottom menu, the systems with the star in front will display the special functions. So these are special functions available for each system. And you can select the system you would like to diagnose. However, some GM models share the same codes, and in such a case, Gscan is unable to identify which specific model name the code stands for. Also, for some models manufactured outside North America, the US, Canada, and Mexico, Gscan is unable to locate matching database automatically. Select Diagnosis. Select GM USA. Let's select Automatic Selection. If VIN information above is correct, you can press OK button. But for some models, Gscan does not support auto VIN search function. For those models, you will see this kind of message. No matching database or multiple database has been found. Please specify the vehicle details by manual menu selection. Let's press OK. When you press OK, you will be redirected to this manual menu selection screen. This is 2012 GMC Sierra, and it falls into light-duty truck. So let's select LD truck. Select GMC. And for the product line, you can look up for fifth digit of your VIN number. The fifth digit is 1. So let's select 1. And it's 2012 Sierra. And you can choose the system you would like to diagnose. Let's select powertrain. And these letters or numbers inside the bracket represents the engine type. You have to look for 8th digit of your VIN number. The eighth digit of this VIN number is A, so let's select A. I'm going to select engine control module. Select OK. Then you can check DTC analysis, data analysis, and special functions. Gscan 2 covers Tech 2 generation models at this time. This is 2010 Chevrolet Impala. Let's go see how Gscan 2 performs. Let's select diagnosis, GM USA. Let's select automatic selection. If VIN information is correct, press OK. Now Gscan has found a database, so it's directing to system search function. We've got different systems here, and those star signs in front of each system represent special functions. So Gscan 2 supports many different special functions for each system. Let's go to engine control module. Let's go to special function. Let's perform crankshaft position variation learn function. Now for V6 engine, for passenger cars, RPM value for fuel cutoff is 5,150 RPM. Let's press next to continue. An engine should not accelerate beyond the calibrated RPM value, which is 5,150. And release throttle immediately if value is exceeded. Block the wheels, set parking brake. And start the engine and let it idle. Turn AC off. And vehicle must remain in park or neutral. And this is very important. The ECT, engine coolant temperature sensor, must read 75 degrees Celsius or higher. Let's go to data analysis to check the ECT value. Engine data. If you look at here, ECT sensor, it's over 75 degrees Celsius, so we're good. So we check the ECT sensor is higher than 75 degrees Celsius, so we are ready. Press next. Slowly accelerate engine speed to 5,150 RPM. Now it's procedure in progress. Release the pedal and procedure successful. And we are done. This is 2012 GM Chevrolet Cruze model. Our Gscan supports immobilizer key coding function, which is very special. Let's take a look. Select cruise, and for immobilizer, go to body. At the bottom, you will see immobilizer. Select immobilizer, press OK. Before you do the key coding function, make sure you have the brand new, genuine key. Select special function, select key programming. Now read the description carefully and press OK when you're done. All transponder keys will be erased, and all available transponder keys must be relearned. Press OK. Turn the vehicle to the off mode, so ignition off. And turn it on. And off again. On. Now it's going to take about 10 minutes to disarm the immobilizer. You have to wait for 10 minutes. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now all transponder keys has been deleted, and please follow the instruction to reprogram the transponder keys. Press OK to next. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. And open the door. And press OK. And you have to wait for 45 seconds. And turn the key to the on position and wait for 5 seconds. And the transponder key is learned successfully. It's okay. And if you want to learn more keys, press yes. And ignition off and remove the key. And open and close the door again. And press next and wait for another 45 seconds. This time with the another key, turn the ignition on. And the key has learned successfully. Press OK. Turn off the key. Remove it. Open and close again. And make sure to avoid turning on or operating any accessories at this time. Press OK. Turn the vehicle to on. Now the immobilizer procedure is completely successfully completed. Please check all the keys functions properly. And start the engine for checking. It's all good. For a vehicle with manual transmission, if the engine does not start, please check that the clutch pedal is learned. Now we are done. This is 2004 GMC Envoy model. Let's take a look how our Gscan performs. Like I mentioned, for some light duty and MPV models, Gscan does not support auto VIN search function. In that case, you have to do manual selection. Select diagnosis, GM USA, manual selection, light duty truck, GMC, and fifth digit of VIN number is T, and the year 2004. This one is Envoy XL model, and you can choose the system you would like to diagnose, powertrain, and for the eighth digit of your VIN number, this one is S. I'm going to select engine control module. Now let's go to data analysis. I'm going to turn the engine on. You can check live data. And let's go to special function. Envoy models, our Gscan supports these kind of special functions. Now let's go back to upper menu and go to different system. Let's go to chassis. In the ABS system, our Gscan provides DTC analysis, data analysis, and actuation test. And if we go to body module, our Gscan supports different kinds of modules. This is 2008 GM Chevrolet Cobalt model. Let's take a look how our Gscan performs. Let's select diagnosis, GM USA. This time, let's try the automatic selection. If the VIN information above is correct, press OK to continue. If you see at the front, those star signs in front of each system represents special functions. If you press the start list, it will show you all special functions supported for each different modules. Let's select engine control module. I'm going to start the engine to check the live data. Let's go to data analysis, engine data. You can check all live data. And you can go to actuation test to test components. And you can do special functions. As we keep putting effort in development of American cars coverage, you will see wider coverage and more functions available in Gscan. Our next September update is coming up, so stay tuned for more American cars coverage. Thank you for watching.